Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning student. How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you for asking me. Welcome to Mrs. Lintang Ayu Puspitasari class. Okay, have you eaten this morning? Alhamdulillah, good. Okay, so are you ready for study now? Great! Before we start our lesson today, it will be better we are praying together. Praying, start. Finish. Today we learn about Indonesia bird, exploring fauna of Indonesia. Do you have any favorite bird? Wow, that's cool. Okay, now look at the picture. What do you know about this picture? Yes, this is Cendrawasih or bird of paradise. Birds of paradise are members of the Paradiseidae family of the Passeriformes order. They are found in Indonesia, including Eastern Papua, Papua New Guinea, the Torres Strait Islands, and Eastern Australia. This bird is known for the male plumage in many species, especially the very elongated feathers. There are 43 species of bird of paradise consisting of 13 genera, namely Lycorolax, Manucodia, Paradigalla, Astrapia, Parotia, Pretidopora, and the last Paradisea. Next, birds of paradise have various feather colors such as black, blue, yellow, red, brown, purple, green, and white. Their physical size also varies greatly, ranging from 15 cm to 110 cm with a weight between 50 grams to 430 grams depending on the type of species. Birds of paradise are included in the group of omnivorous birds which have the habit of eating fruit, seeds, small insects such as snail, dragonfly, grasshopper, and caterpillars. Physical traits: bright blue, yellow, scarlet, and green feathers. The male's tail are longer than the female's. The natural habitat of the Cendrawasih bird is in the mountain forest, especially on the island of Papua. Generally, it lives in area with an altitude of 1,400 meters to 1,800 meters above sea level. It likes dense forest and there are several types of vines around it. Usually, it likes to pitch on branches in the forest. Next, reason why it is a protected animal. What is the place for the protected animal? Reasons why birds of paradise are protected. 1. Including endangered species. Second, ecological and cultural value. 3. Presence in conservation habitat. The name of the bird protection community is Indonesian Bird, which was founded on July 15, 2002 in Papua New Guinea with the aim of preserving various types of birds and their habitat in Indonesia. Okay, look at this picture. Part of a bird. Beak, eye, head, wing, breast, leg, foot, feather, and the last tail. Function of bird body part. Beak, eating, drinking, building nest, cleaning feathers, communicating. Eyes, seeing, looking for food, avoiding danger, communicating. Head contains brain and sensor regulate body temperature. Cheese or bread, breathing, blood circulation, wing attachment. Wings, flying, maneuvering, stabilizing, showing dominance. Leg, walking, jumping, tossing, gripping. Tail, air maneuver, balance, navigation, attracting attention. Feather, isolation, protection, flying, appearance, and the last, communication. I have some quiz. You must answer the question. Okay. What do birds of paradise eat? Okay, eating fruit, seeds, small insects such as snail, dragonflies, grasshoppers, and caterpillars. Okay, what are the four body parts of bird? First, head, okay. Wing, okay. Tail, okay. And the last, foot. Okay, you must answer true or false. Okay, the beauty, unique, and diversity of bird of paradise make them a potential tourist attraction and a symbol of local cultural pride in Papua. True or false? Yes, true. Protecting bird of paradise is important for maintaining biodiversity, ecosystem, and natural beauty. They are important part of the food can and play a vital role in maintaining environmental balance. True or false? Okay, true. 3. Birds of paradise only live in lowland rainforests. True or false? Yeah, false. Birds of paradise do not have an important role in ecosystem. True or false? False. Okay, and the last, birds of paradise are not endangered. True or false? Okay, false. Okay, well, as the end of today's lesson, I will close with a quote. Today's quote, quoting a statement from Walt Disney, he said, "You can definitely make all your dreams come true if you have the courage to pursue them." This means if you have a dream, then hold on to that dream. Believe in it, and case it, believe that you can definitely make your dream come true. Thank you very much and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.